But then here's your slipper clutch, which this doesn't even look like it has a slipper clutch. It looks like it's just solid in there, or it's a new one. Yeah, that's not even, well, yeah, it's got the spring, but it don't look like a slipper clutch to me. That's crazy. Yeah, this one's set up different. It doesn't have the, I bought all this stuff for no reason. It doesn't have this on this one. Huh. That's new to me. New to me. Wow. Or is that it under there? I bet you that's it under there, huh? Probably got to take all that apart. Let's see. This little side spinning now. So there is some sort of slipper clutch in there. Let's just see what it's made of. So your spring, then this should probably pop off, I would imagine. Your pin pulls out and it's got 2 holes. Make sure that top one is in the hole is in the farthest one towards the thread. That looks like it's just sitting on there. Yeah, it's a little different than. Yeah, it just sits on there. Wow. I'm curious about this right here. How come this spins? Yeah, it does. It just spins inside there. So there must be a little tiny slipper clutch inside there. So, huh. Yeah, we're gonna leave this. This is a 83 tooth, 48 pitch. Make sure you hold all this stuff together, because once it might fall apart and you won't know how it goes back together if you don't take it apart slow. I'm going to tip it over and then pick it up slowly. Okay, so yeah, there is a little plate in there. That's crazy. I never saw that. That's neat. And then you have, which I imagine you probably have to buy the specific spur gear for this, guys. So you can't just go out. Oh yeah, you can. Okay. So that just comes out too, and it's got a little. It's metal. And just goes into there. Neat. So that's how you take apart your slipper. So let's put this slipper back together. Make sure you got it in the right spot. See how those holes go up. So those line up with that. So you want to put your little rough spots there. Bam. Okay. So let's put that back together. So then you just reverse it, guys. So you can buy that little pad that's in there, and probably buy that little pad, and then buy this little piece to if your spur gear's out, which I'm just probably gonna tighten pretty tight. Okay. I said make sure it's in that closest hole to the threads. Put the bearing on first, just in case. Wonder if they make that metal. If that's gonna melt on us or not. We'll find out, I guess, huh? Bought all that stuff for nothing. And then just tighten her back up. I say, this one's gonna be tough. I'm gonna put something on this side right here. If you got a pair of shock pliers, it would work perfect, I think. And then I'm going to tighten it up as tight as I can. I think they say to tighten up as tight as you can. And then back it off. Back it off a half a turn to a turn, I think they want you to do, but I do about a quarter. Maybe a half. Okay. Bam, and there you go. Then we'll put this back on. I'm definitely going to pull this off and put some Loctite on it though. It looks like it had Loctite on it one time, but most Traxxas stuff does come with Loctite, so that's a plus. So here's this side right here. I just add my little bit more since I broke it free, you know. All right. And wipe that off. And let that dry for a while, guys. Let that dry for 24 hours before you go ripping around anywhere. So